Last October, I spent a few days at one of my favorite lakes. It's huge, surrounded by beautiful nature. You don't hear roads or people here, just the wind moving through the trees, birds overhead, and sometimes complete silence. Every evening, the bats came out, but just for a little while. They flew so close, I could feel the air shift around me. And then there were the kingfishers, tiny flashes of color, landing right on the rods like they belong there. And every night, a little fox came up to the tent. The cheeky little thing even came inside the tent to steal my food. But honestly, I didn't mind. And then the most magical of all are the cranes. In October, they gather here in huge numbers, getting ready for their long journey south. Hearing their calls echo over the lake, it just does something with you. After a few days, there was a storm coming. I felt it in the air, but I was quite excited, because the storms often mean that the fish will be feeding. And I've had some of my best sessions during this type of weather. I just didn't know that this one would hit so hard. What started as a regular evening turned fast. The sky darkened, and then came the hail. That turned into heavy rain. And soon the wind picked up. By nightfall, I found myself in a full-blown storm. It almost felt like a hurricane. I barely slept. I was just holding on the tent from the inside, hoping it would hold. And the next morning, the storm had passed, and then came the action. The rods went off, and each bite felt like a reward for pushing through. I managed to catch some beautiful carp, and every single one made the whole journey worth it.